remember those ruby Spanish sunsets? Do you remember the magic in the air? Can you still hear the flamenco music playing in the square? Do you remember those nights in Madrid? Do you remember dancing at the fiesta? Sangria kisses and flowers in your hair. We were two young lovers, we had no worries, we had no cares. Do you remember those nights in Madrid? I knew from the moment that I saw you, it was like a dream come true. Something from an old romantic movie. We fell in love under the Latin moon. I still remember how to say te quiero, señorita. I still remember all the laughter that we shared. So let these memories go on forever. I will always, always treasure those nights in Madrid. Come true. Something from an old romantic movie. We fell in love under the Latin moon. I still remember how to say te quiero, señorita. I still remember all the laughter that we shared. So let these memories go on forever. I will always, always treasure those nights in Madrid. So let these memories go on forever. I will always, always treasure those nights in Madrid. So let these memories go on forever. I will always, always treasure those nights in Madrid. 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 Those nights in Madrid.
and the other guys riding on backbiting and get away with lies. No matter what it takes, who is gonna cry? The only thing that matters is you get what you desire. But I know for sure the day will come when you first realize what you have done, and you finally get your debt repaid and revenge is served on a cold plate. You hear the roar of the shutdown when the world will stop without a sound, and the moment you will cry for help, that we only think about ourselves. Oh yeah. The first time that I met you, I thought it looked so sweet. I stood around for the hills, beating a retreat. And when I heard you talking with that alluring sound, should have recalled the sirens and how that things went down. Living on the trenches, looking for a way to escape. You always cut me down like a dreamer's with the grapes. But never mind how I tried to leave you behind. I kept falling in your net. Oh, I've been so blind. But I know for sure the day will come when you first realize what have you done, and you finally get your debt repaid and revenge is served on a cold plate. And you hear the roar of the shutdown when the world will stop without a sound, and the moment you will cry for help, and we only think about ourselves. Oh yeah. About ourselves. About ourselves. But I know for sure the day will come when you first realize what you have done, and you finally get your debt repaid and revenge is served on a cold plate. Oh yeah.